Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing into your Google account on a trusted device. Do this now. Once signed in, open the account menu and select Security to access two-step verification settings. Make sure your primary phone number is available and any backup methods like an authenticator app or backup codes are ready. This initial access is critical because Google will only show recovery options when it recognizes a secure session and existing verification methods. Once in two-step verification, scroll to the backup codes or recovery codes section and select it. Google may ask you to re-enter your password or confirm via your phone. Complete that verification to proceed. Click Show Codes to view existing codes or get new codes to generate fresh ones. Generating new codes invalidates old ones, so choose carefully. After the codes appear, copy them to a secure location immediately so you can use them when your primary second factor is unavailable. To finish, store your recovery codes in a password manager and print a physical copy to keep in a safe place. Treat them like spare keys. Make sure to mark codes as used if you apply them for login, and generate new codes periodically or after any potential compromise. If codes fail to appear, try signing in on another verified device or clear your browser cache and retry. If you're still locked out, contact Google Account Support for step-by-step recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.